So today in this video is let's fix our portable speaker. Turn on the switch, and now it's we can use this portable speaker. But if we unplug this cable, the battery is already spoiled inside. So it will last only for 1 to 5 minutes, and that's not used. So the things happen is whenever we didn't use at least like 5 months or 6 months, if you didn't use, then automatically the battery will flat, battery will be spoiled. So here we cannot all the time carry on the power cable, which is AC, so we need to replace the battery inside. So to do that, we need to turn it off first, and let us open this speaker, and then let us see what's the inside the battery size. So we're gonna place in this position here. Over here. So this is all the inside here. This transformer here for the PCB board. So we don't simply touch inside the PCB board. It's very dangerous in case if you short something. Okay, right inside here, this is the battery. So this is the battery that we need to replace. And there's nothing a problem with this board. Everything's work. We just need to replace the battery because it cannot longer than more than 5 minutes. So we just need to replace this battery. Okay, let me check with a multimeter. Here is black and here is red. Okay, and how many voltage I get? I get 5.3 voltage. So I'm not sure this battery is how many voltage. We need to open it up first, but right now the voltage display is 5.3 volt. Okay, so let us open this battery. This battery just 12 volt, 4.5 Ah. So let us measure again the voltage. So we just get only 5 volt. So that means this battery is out. The battery is already spoiled. So the things is, if you didn't use a portable speaker for more than 3 months or 4 months, the battery automatically we damage. So we have to use at least 3 months one time. So this is the old battery, and I just bought the new battery. So it will be 12 volt, 5.0 Ah, and the old one is 12 volt, 4.5 Ah. So it does not matter which brand you use, as long as it's the same voltage and the same size. So I replaced to 5 Ah, which means this Ah is more capacity, so this will last more longer, right? So I'm gonna replace this. So let me slide it to here. This is the place right here. I was taking the old one and I will replace here. So far this speaker is very nice and the sound is very fantastic. I'm gonna put back all my PCB board right here, and this blue one we're gonna put back here. Which is the small speaker. Okay, that's already connected properly. And this side is the red one, which is the bigger size of the speaker. Okay, so connector, everything is connected properly. And here the last, okay, we're gonna put this position here. And so this is the battery. So the battery is very important here. Negative, we connect to the negative here. Okay. And positive, we connect to the positive here. So let us try to switch on. Okay, so you can see here's the battery is full. We close. So we're gonna close all here. It's perfect. Now we're done. So we can test with mic, and we can test with the music. And this, okay, this is the volume. You know, this is mode. So now let's play the music from here. So we can adjust any volume from here. So now our speaker is done. We already replaced the battery, and this are very nice.